Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a laptop. This is Asus laptop and you can see the display resolution is very bad. It's not working display very good. So sometime display and sometime not working. So now I will open this laptop and check the display problem or the display connection. So first I have to remove this display screw and I will remove this display frame. This model number is Asus X554L model laptop. So let's check it, the display, open and fix this problem. Okay guys, now I will open this laptop from the front side. So I have to unlock all this plastic here, and then I have to remove here the 4 screw for laptop. You need a small screwdriver for remove. So I remove this 4 screw on this laptop display. Now open display and reconnect this display or change another display to check it, the laptop problem or display problem. Maybe the display or display connection problem for this, and I just reconnect display connection and check again. Sometime display problem is doing like that, it's not working display well. And so now I power on laptop and check it. Also the same problem. So I need to change the display and check. So guys, here I have another display. So I check the new display. So it's working perfectly. What the problem? The display connection. If the display connection problem, I have to change the connection display cable, or I have to fix that. So now I have to use the new display and I power it on and I check. This is working very good, you see. So this laptop is problem the display, not the display connection. You can see this display is working very good. So now I will open the display and check the here is display connection have missing or something. I open this part and check. See guys, I connect the old display, but this display giving the white only, no picture. So this display have problem. So I have to change display. No way to fix this display. Is damaged the display. So I will change the display. So if I change the display, it will be work perfectly. So to change